Okay, so before starting, I'll just look at your letters. I found one or two mistakes. The first one, Salut Liu, je suis à Nainital. La montagne? No, she, les montagnes.
Le Montagne. Yeah, right.
Okay,
Yeah.
les montagnes. Then, les montagnes sont. Les
Okay, R,
montagnes
right?
sont.
Yeah.
Grande should be plural. Grande et belle. Okay, les
Okay.
montagnes sont grandes et belles. J'aime les lacs, les lacs, et le temps ici.
Le Montagne.
Les amis du groupe sont très sympas. Spelling of très, très sympa. C'est super. Bees and then your name. After bees, your name. Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Second one. Bonjour, Jean-Paul. Je suis Alia. Je suis étudiant en ingénierie. Je parle hindi, anglais, français. J'habite à Delhi, capitale de l'Inde. J'aime la natation. La natation et euh, j'aime j'aime non j'aime faire. Okay, just change the sentence. Okay, j'aime faire j'aime faire de la natation et du vélo. Je cherche des amis et des amis. Hmm. Okay, this is correct.
Okay. What's the meaning of fair and
Like, I like to
the
do swimming and cycling.
I like to do? Okay. Okay. Like to do the. Hmm.
When you're writing some activity, you have to use the verb faire.
Okay. Good. And what is the meaning of song? The first one.
SONT.
Yes.
SONT is the verb être.
Okay. Okay. Right. 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 Les song.
Les montagnes sont grandes. The mountains are big and beautiful.
Hmm. Got it. Got it.
Okay, then uh, I have sent some PDFs, so we'll start with that.
Um,
Okay. Okay. If you remember, I told you in the very starting that normally we add e to make the feminine one when we were doing nationality. I think we have done nationality.
Yes, ma'am.
So I told you that we add normally e to make feminine, and
Yes.
there are many more things in which we add e just to make it feminine. One of them was adjective, the other was colors, and so and so. So we are doing adjectives today.
Mm-hmm.
So two things about adjectives. One is yes, we just add e to make it feminine. The other is it agrees in gender and number with the noun, which means that the use of adjectives in your sentence will totally depend on the gender of your noun. For example, if your for example, in a sentence, if your noun is masculine, so you will use a masculine adjective for that. If your noun is feminine, so you're going to use the feminine adjective for that. Same goes with the plural one also. If your noun is masculine plural, you will use a masculine plural adjective for that. And if it's a feminine plural noun, then you will use a feminine plural adjective. We'll see some examples. Now,
Right.
there are some rules for making the adjective feminine. One is very simple, we just add e to make it feminine. The first rule says this only. And e is added to the masculine form in order to make an adjective feminine. So we have mostly these type of adjectives where we just add e to make it feminine. Okay. Then the second one says that if already an e is added, we don't add an extra e. Same the case was in nationality also. If in the masculine e was there, we didn't
Mm.
add an extra e in the feminine one. So same is the case here also. Then this
Right.
was also the case in nationality. For certain adjectives, we double the last consonant and then add e. You remember in nationalities, whatever the nationalities that were ending in IEN, we used to double the last consonant. We used to add IE double N E in feminine
Yes.
form. So here
Yes.
also there are some certain adjectives, not all, some adjectives where we double the last letter and then add a e. E will be added anyhow. Okay.
Right.
So
Yeah.
in the first three, e will be added anyhow. The first is you add a e. In the second is if an e is already there, you don't have to do anything. In the third one, some adjectives you need to double the last consonant and then add a e. Now the fourth one, wherever it is ending in eau, what you
Mm.
have to do, you have to change eau to e double l e. You need to change eau to e double l e
Mhm.
to get it into feminine form. Bow changes to bell. Novo changes to novel. I give you one example over here. For example, uh, you are writing uh, le beau garçon. Okay, then you will write la belle fille. The difference. Garçon is a boy,
Mm.
masculine, so
Boy.
you will use a masculine adjective for it. Fille is a girl, so you will use a feminine adjective for that. Okay.
Well, ma'am, for example, in the chat, um, The one you wrote, Les Montagnes sont grandes uh, et belles. Belles. Uh, so in that case, it's a feminine. Mountains are feminine and it's
So it
plural.
should be Grandes.
Okay.
Yes. So that is La Montagne. Grand et belle. Hmm.
Right. Getting it.
So these were the four rules where you have in which you have to keep in mind while changing the adjective to feminine form. Okay?
Actually, yeah, this is very much unlike English. In English, we don't have anything like that.
Yes, we don't have anything like that.
Hmm.
Now, the thing that is coming, there are some rules where you will understand how to change the adjective into plural form. They'll be similar to the noun ones. You remember we have done the plural of nouns.
Yes.
We did one PDF, the plural of nouns. We did some rules. If it is EAU, we'll add X to the last to make it plural. Remember?
Um,
The PDF is there in the
nice. Just one second. Actually, I could not remember EAU specifically. Hmm. I guess, ma'am,
we have done last week or last to last week, plural of nouns. But we have done that.
no, ma'am, we didn't study this as far as I remember. Les plural des norms. No, ma'am, we didn't do that.
I guess we have done.
No, ma'am, because this thing completely looks new to me, honestly. This one, les plural des norms. I
Yes, yes,
think
we have done this.
during the lecture, I don't remember exactly.
No, you
Okay,
can check
fine.
your the recordings. See, I told you in this. I even wrote when it is la, l apostrophe, then only it will be lay. If it is yun, then it will change to they only. There's one exercise also down.
Okay, I'll look into it.
Yeah, yeah, we have done
Notes
this.
down somewhere. It's
We have done the other PDFs also along with it. It was interrogation, negation, then preposition,
yeah,
the,
yeah,
a.
yeah, those were done. This
Mm-hmm.
negation and interrogation is done. Uh, but my preposition is was also not done. We didn't do preposition.
The preposition due. Okay, yes, this I remember. This we have not done. But yes, that we have done.
Plural. Okay, I'll see it.
Yes.
I'll see if
Okay.
there is something.
In case it is not there, then tell me.
I'll let you know.
Okay.
Surely.
Okay. Now, here are some rules uh, by which we make the adjective into plural form. The first is we just add an s to make it plural.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah,
Second is the same. If an s is already there, we don't add an extra s to make it plural. S
right.
remains the same. The third is again the same as in noun. If it is EAU, we just add x to make it plural.
Plural.
The second is if the feminine plural of adjective is formed by adding s to the feminine. Okay, this is not a rule. This is just I have written that When you're making the feminine, like this is the feminine form of bronze. So when you're making the plural of it, you just add a s to make it plural. That's it.
Plural.
Hmm.
Right.
Now, question number one says metelefas o femina. You have to write these sentences into feminine. Now, I'll tell you one thing. See, in feminine, il will change to l,
L.
right? And the plural il will change to the
Else.
plural l.
Yeah, plural L.
Okay.
Right.
Now, we'll go word by word. Il will change to what?
L.
L.
L. A.
Verb will remain same. And in Jolie, we'll just add e
Mm,
to make it feminine.
feminine. Right.
Okay. So this is the way you have to do this exercise.
Right.
Now, the second one. Here you have to make these sentences into
Plural.
plural form.
Plural.
Now, for this, I'll give you one table. I'll give it later. Then we'll come to this.
This
Okay.
will become else son, right?
Yes, it will
Else or
become il
in
son.
this else son.
Il son.
Dance. Dance. Yeah.
Exactly.
I got the idea. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, these are some of the adjectives that I have given you. Okay, it's a long list.
Mm-hmm.
Some of the common and uncommon ones also have given you. Okay,
Got it.
okay. Here I'll tell you what changes to what in plural form. This is important. In plural form, I'll start with the articles first. Okay, and un will change to they.
The
Then le, la,
la
l apostrophe will change to le.
le.
Then comes your subject pronoun. Je will change to nu.
Mm.
Okay. Tu will change to
Vous.
vu.
Vous.
Il will change to il plural. And L will change to L plural. So, according to this, the second exercise has to be done. Remember
Ma'am.
when je, mhm,
Mhm.
like
No,
when je,
actually, um,
like
just
it
we.
is je suis, so it will be nous sommes in plural form. Verb will also change. Hmm.
Ma'am, I remembered that you told me 2A and Boo it's no.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Haha, 2A and Boo it's. So they both means you, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So how is it plural?
See,
2A.
QA
Yeah.
and
Both.
VZ. See,
Booze. Sorry.
QA is informal. Okay, VZ is informal. Vu is like you formal also, and it is also like you all that way
Acha.
also.
All
That
right.
is why it is regarded as plural.
Got it. Right.
Okay, okay. Then we come to our second sheet. Let me take out the second sheet. Okay, you remember the verb ale?
Can you spell it?
Ale,
Acha, हाँ,
A
ale.
double L E
A
R.
double L E R.
Ale.
Yes, to do, I guess.
No, no,
Uh,
no. To go.
to go, sorry. Right.
Mm.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so we have done the present tense, right? ER,
yeah.
IR, and RE that we have done.
Oh,
I hope you are practicing it.
yes, ma'am. Actually, I'm not writing it. I'm not getting enough time for it. But yeah, I'm reading it. And I just watched the video once,
Yeah, yeah,
that
but
recording.
you have to take out time to write at least one verb a day, if not two, three, five, at least one verb
Yeah,
a day. It will hardly take 1 minute or 2 minutes.
sure.
Yeah.
We'll do
Otherwise,
it.
speaking will be very difficult.
Yes, ma'am. I can understand.
Yeah.
It's already very difficult for me.
Okay. So, so instead of doing the past tense first, I'm doing the future with you. So this is the future tense. Le futur proche. This is very, very easy. Easier than the present tense and easier than the past tense also. Okay, so le futur proche is, it's very simple. You have to just write the subject, the verb aller in the present tense, and then you have to write the verb in the infinitive form. Infinitive form means you have to write the verb just as it is. You don't have to conjugate it. Now,
Got it.
for this, you have to be thorough with the verb ale. Like, it is like, simple future. I am going to do this. I will do that. I shall do this. This is future proche. Okay, future proche like near future. You are just going to do in a day or two. It is final. That is future proche.
Future Proche. Okay, tell
Yes,
me.
future proche.
All right.
Like there are some examples. Je vais manger chez toi. I'll eat at your place. I will eat at your place. Tu vas aller au cinéma. You will go to cinema. Elle va faire ses devoirs. She will do her homework. Nous allons visiter notre grand-mère. We will visit our grandmother. Vous allez voyager à l'étranger. You will visit a foreign country. Ils vont prendre l'avion. They will take the flight.
Right.
Okay. So this is
Understood.
very easy. There's nothing to much understand in it. So now see the first one, mettez le verbe en futur proche. You don't have to do anything. Nous, the verb is given to you, dîner.
Alone.
You have to see nous.
Alone.
Yes.
No, no alone dinner. Diner.
Yes, it is nous, allons, and just you have to copy this verb, dîner. Nothing else.
Dinner.
Okay? So this is very
Yeah.
easy. Future proche is very easy.
Yes.
Okay? Very simple.
I'm able to understand the logical things and all, but pronunciation is really a big deal, honestly. Uh, like
It will
rules are
come.
very easy. It's quite logical to understand these things, and it makes
Yes,
sense.
I know. It will take some time, but yes, it will be easy. Okay, we have not done the preposition the, ar. That is important. Do that first. Okay, now les prepositions de et à. There are two different prepositions. See, this preposition is different from the prepositions that you have heard. This is not that on, in. under, above, below. This is not that. Okay, this is completely different.
Got it.
There are two different prepositions and two very important prepositions in French. One is the and one is a. Okay, this one is the and this one is a. So first we'll study the one. It is just the same. This also has four articles. This also has four articles. And the rules are same. Masculine, feminine, vowel and plural. As it was in the definite articles. Same thing. Now
Okay.
see, this preposition the, if it is just written the, it means of or from. Okay. And now see, how do we form these? How come with the these are formed? These are formed by when you mix the, here what is happening, the plus l. Here what is happening, the plus la. Here the plus l
And
apostrophe. Here the plus they. So this is what is happening over here. Okay. So we get this result. When the is, so this I have not written because this confuses a lot. So don't write this also. Okay, because this creates a
yes.
confusion. This you don't have to learn also. No need to know this. This is just for understanding. The thing that you need to know is this. Okay. So I just wrote that from where this came. If this is formed by preposition the, so where this came from. So this is formed with the plus the definite articles. When we mix the definite articles with preposition the, so these are formed. And this is called article contracte. This is les articles contractés. This is the topic name, les articles contractés. There are two of them. One you will find with preposition the, one you will find with preposition a. Okay, there are two different les articles contractés. So this is the first one, les articles contractés, the first one. Okay, now this the means of or from. And what do these les articles définis means? Oh, sorry, this is les. What does les articles définis means? Le, la, l apostrophe, les. What do they mean?
Um,
Meaning
Definite
of,
article.
no, no, what is the meaning of them? I told you. What is the meaning?
The, some,
The, no,
the, yeah.
only the. So
Oh,
when
sorry.
of
The,
and the is mixed. So
some. Hmm.
this du, the la, the l apostrophe and they, the meaning changes to of the or from the.
Right.
Okay, so all these four means of the or from the. So for example, le chapeau du garçon, the cap of the boy, or you can say the boy's cap. Le pull de la fille, the sweater of the girl or the girl's sweater. Now, how these articles are put? Again, the gender is seen over here. It doesn't depends on the starting word. It depends on the word uh, before which it is put. Then, if it's a proper noun, then it will be de or d apostrophe, as it was the case last. Same. Okay,
Yes.
understood this one?
Yeah. Um, Yes, got it.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now I'll move with the A1, R1. See, when R is written, it means to, at, or in. But when R is mixed with definite articles, it becomes to the, at the, in the. Okay, it becomes to the, at the, in the. When it is mixed with definite articles. And the articles, they change to AU, ala, ala, and O. AU, ala, ala, and AUX. Again, similarly, we have the examples over here. It will just, now here also, if it is the proper noun, so we have only a to be placed, whether
Okay.
it is starting with a vowel or a consonant. Here we had a choice. If it's starting with a vowel, so we will do it D apostrophe. But here we don't have a choice. It is A only because A itself is a vowel. Okay?
हाँ, all right, ठीक है.
Got it? See, when you do
Yeah,
the exercise, you will understand it better. There's an
yeah,
exercise here also and here also. One, question number one and question number two.
yeah.
Okay?
Hmm, okay, got it. ठीक है.
Okay.
नहीं, actually, ये last वाला,
Which one? Which one? Tell
um,
me.
this E1, I couldn't find any rule as such here. I could only understand that for any name or any place. No,
No,
particularly
not
for any
place.
name. For
Just
any
for
name.
proper
For
noun. Just for proper noun.
proper noun. Proper noun. We don't use the definite. The
Hmm.
the
We don't use these. We just use
hmm,
a. See, je parle à Pierre et à Anne. I speak to Pierre et to Anne. We will not write I speak to the Pierre et to the Anne. We will not write that. This is incorrect. No,
hmm,
that's incorrect English also. So that is
yes,
why we speak to someone. We don't speak to the someone.
right.
So that's why. Okay.
So doesn't it create any sort of confusion? Like it means the same. To, at, and in the this
It
no.
won't create any confusion.
Let's okay. I haven't practiced it yet, but yeah, I'll look into
Yeah,
it.
yeah. See, you have this, no, you have this exercise. Just give it
Yeah,
just do it and just send me. I'll check it.
all right,
Okay?
got it. Right.
Okay. Okay, so I'm sending you another link to join. Okay, after 2 minutes, join from that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.